Blueprint BI is a simple but powerful new way of defining and analyzing your business processes. Our expertise in business process consulting, combined with our innovative software solution turning information into insights, will empower you to see your whole business's detailed operating model in one place, enabling your organization to unlock its full potential. Our user-friendly software is available to every employee at a click of a mouse, encouraging collaboration between teams and a greater understanding of their unique role within the organization. Featuring standardized and consistent process documentation automatically generated in Windows-compatible formats, instant automated process diagram and report generation. Blueprint BI has best practice process risk analysis capabilities, identifying and quantifying the effects of inherent and residual risks at a process level, helping companies build, improve, and share their process knowledge from a central repository. At Blueprint BI, we believe knowledge is power. We empower both the executive and the end user to capture, analyze, and act upon accurate business process information. Are you the manager of either operations, risk and compliance, or a process architect within your business? Contact us for a non-obligatory discussion.